This month's craft is Unicorn Pegasus craft for September 2024. Supplies that you will need with or without the kit: a black marker, glue, and scissors. In the kit, you would have received directions, a pink sheet of paper with a rectangle drawn on it, 2 cardstock pink triangles, 1 glittery gold triangle, 2 feathers, 3 strips of different colored ribbons, toilet paper roll, and stick-on jewels. First thing we need to do is to cut out the rectangle from the pink sheet of paper. With the outline facing you on the pink paper, put glue on the bottom of the horn and the ears and place them as shown. So the horn in the center, the ears on either side. Then you're going to glue the ribbon to the back of the ears and the horn. Make sure that the top of all are hanging over. Then you're going to put glue on the rest of the sheet of paper and wrap it around the toilet paper roll as depicted in these images. With the toilet paper roll facing you where the unicorn horn and the ears are, draw on your eyes, and then however you want to put the jewels on, you can put the jewels on here at this point. Then you can glue on the feathers, 1 on each side. And this is how my unicorn turned out. Now, let's check in with Miss Eileen.
I am doing my Unicorn Pegasus craft from home with supplies I have around the house. Let's get our supplies together. I have a toilet paper roll, glue, a marker or pencil, 3 colors of ribbon, crayons, scissors, and 2 colors of construction paper. I have chosen pink and white, but you can choose whatever color you wish. To get started, I've taken my toilet paper roll and laid it on my pink construction paper, and I've taken my pencil and marked a top and the bottom of the roll, and then I cut out a long rectangle. Now we can glue that rectangle to our toilet paper roll by applying glue to both the toilet paper roll and the construction paper and wrapping it around. Next, it's time to cut out our wings. I use a V shape on the top and then an inverted V shape on the bottom. Then I take my scissors and cut little slits on each side so that it looks like little feathered wings. I then cut 3 lengths of ribbon. I do 2 small triangles for the ears of my unicorn. Now it's time to start gluing them on. I glue the wings to the back of my unicorn. I glue the ribbons to the top of my unicorn's head, along with the pink ears. I have a little fuzzball that I do for the nose, but you can draw it, or you can cut out a small circle to use for the nose. I use the pen or my marker or crayon to make the eyebrows and eyes. You can now decorate the unicorn any way you want. We now have our finished Unicorn Pegasus. I hope you had fun doing this.